Bitcoin just hit $100,000. Yeah, you heard that right, 6 figures. This isn't just about some internet money going up, this is huge. Remember when people called Bitcoin a fad? A bubble? Well, guess who's laughing now? Spoiler alert, it's the people who bought Bitcoin. This milestone is a big deal for a few reasons. First, it shows that Bitcoin is here to stay. It's gone from being a fringe idea to a major player. Second, it opens the door for more people to get involved. The higher the price, the more attention it gets. And finally, it could change the way we think about money altogether. So, buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to dive into the wild world of Bitcoin at $100,000. We'll talk about what it means, why it happened, and what might happen next. Let's be honest, hitting $100,000 gives Bitcoin some serious street cred. It's like that moment when your friend's garage band suddenly gets a record deal. Suddenly everyone's paying attention. Big institutions, hedge funds, even your grandma is asking about Bitcoin now. This mainstream acceptance is a big deal for investors. Remember when putting money in Bitcoin was considered financial suicide? Yeah, those days are gone. Now it's seen as a legitimate investment. We're talking Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, the whole Wall Street gang. They're all jumping in, and that means more money pouring into Bitcoin. But it's not just about the money. Governments are starting to take notice too. With Bitcoin booming, they're realizing they can't just ignore it anymore. Some countries are even creating their own digital currencies. It's like a digital gold rush, and everyone wants a piece of the action. So, what's behind Bitcoin's meteoric rise? Well, it's a perfect storm of factors. First, you've got the political climate. Governments are printing money like it's going out of style, and people are looking for safe havens for their cash. The recent election of Donald Trump has investors hyped about potential crypto-friendly policies. Enter Bitcoin, the decentralized, digital gold. Then there's the institutional FOMO. Nobody wants to be left behind in the biggest financial revolution since the internet. Big players like Tesla and MicroStrategy have been stacking Bitcoin, pushing prices up and making others want to join the party. So when Tesla buys Bitcoin, everyone else wants a piece of the pie. It's like a high-stakes game of musical chairs, and nobody wants to be the one without a seat. And let's not forget about the ETFs. These exchange-traded funds make it easier than ever for regular people to invest in Bitcoin. The green light for Bitcoin ETFs means it's easier for regular folks to invest, boosting demand. It's like buying shares of Apple, but instead of getting a slice of a tech giant, you're getting a piece of the future of money. So, what's next for Bitcoin? Will it keep going up? Will it crash and burn? Honestly, nobody knows for sure. Predicting the crypto market is like trying to predict the weather in a hurricane. Some experts say Bitcoin could hit $500,000 or even $1 million in the next few years. Others are more cautious, warning of potential bubbles and regulations. The truth is, it's a wild ride, and you've got to be prepared for anything. But here's the thing, even if Bitcoin doesn't reach the moon, or maybe it will, it's already changed the world. It's challenged the way we think about money, finance, and even government. And that's something worth paying attention to, whether you're a seasoned investor or just a curious observer. Just remember, it's a volatile market. Do your research, invest responsibly, and don't bet the farm on any one cryptocurrency. That's it for today, fam. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Bull Market Bully for more straight-up crypto talk. Peace.